What's up guys, welcome to techminepro YouTube channel. So today we are going to show a new website, and this website name is coinfreepro.com, and this is a legit website, and you can earn Solana, BNB and TRX, and there are no minimum withdrawal limits. You can withdraw any amount, so and it's pay instantly in your faucet pay account. So you can see there are 13,000 total user and 35,000 withdrawal, and you can see this a very old website and very trusted, and it's online almost 206 days, so it's a very legit website. And you can see how you can earn from this website: faucet, short link, BTC and task, and more option. So you can see, and this is the payment proofs. You can see there are a lot of payment proofs. So first of all, you need to register the website. To just click on register and register the account. So first you need to solve the captcha. So the captcha is completed. Now you have to enter your email, username, password, and just register the account, and also verify your account from your email. After complete the registration, you can log into your account. So I'm just logging to my account. So I'm logged into my account, and you have to verify your email. So for email, verify your email. You can verify your email from just copy the link and just paste it in your browser. So my verification is complete. Now you can see my balance. I have 350 token in my balance, and you can see the withdraw option and minimum withdraw. There is no minimum withdraw. You can see there are 0 token, so you can withdraw any amount that you claim from this website. There is no withdraw limit. So you can earn from manual faucet, short link, PTC and task, but the manual faucet one the most profitable, and I will recommend to earn from manual faucet. This is the most popular one. So but you don't need to claim it from here, it will do automatically from the Termux. So for this you need the Termux scripts. So scripts link will be given in the video description. So go to the video description and download the script. This is the script, and you will get this in the video description. Go to the description and download the scripts. So I'm just going to extract into the folder. So go click on extract to and click here and extract it. So it's started. You can see the folder here, and this is the folder. So you can see it. So now go to the Termux, and before run the scripts you need to update some commands, basic commands. So these are the commands you need to update. Okay, so must update those package and updates before run the scripts, otherwise the scripts will not work. So do it after installing all the basic command. Just go to the Termux and type Termux again, setup again, storage, then type Y. Now you need to press the folder you just extracted. Just press long and copy the full path, and press on copy full path, and then go back to the Termux and type cd space, then paste the full path, then type ls, then type php bot.php. So now the scripts will start it. So you need the password. You will get the password in the link, also in the video description. So go to the video description and you will get the password link. So I'm just entering the password, correct password, and then next is you need to enter your cookie. So go for this, go to the Q browser and then go to the developer tools. After clicking developer tools, you need to refresh the page. After refresh, go to the developer tools and search for dashboard. You will find dashboard section. Just click on dashboard section and you will get the cookie. This is the cookie. Just copy it and paste it in the Termux. Now you have to input user agent, so again go back to the Q browser and scroll down and you will find the user agent. Just copy the user agent and paste it. Now you can input your BTC address if you want to withdraw, but I don't need now, so I'm going to skip it. For skip this process, just click on enter. Now there are two options. You can withdraw, auto withdraw, and manual option. And so I don't need the auto withdraw, so I will choose option 2. So type 2 and enter. Now there are three options: manual faucet, BTC, and withdraw. So go for the manual faucet one. Then the script will start working. You can see the antibot, auto antibot is working. So be patient, it will need some time to work because it is doing automatically to solve the antibot captcha. So you have to be patient. So wait for some time. So you can see 15 token has been added to your balance, and this is my balance. And you can run the scripts 24 hours and just enjoy the scripts. So let's check in our browser. You can see the balance. Now I'm just going to refresh the page, and then boom guys, you can see the token is increased. That means the script is working and you can run it 24 hours. Just start and leave it for whole day. So enjoy the scripts, and if you get any error while running the scripts, you can join our Telegram channel and the Telegram group. This is my Telegram channel. You can join here, and also the Telegram group. You can join this Telegram group and share your problem. We will help you there. So must join in our Telegram channel and group for help. And also subscribe, join to the Airdrop Hunter channel for daily legit airdrops. Here we share legit and trusted airdrops, which is daily we are sharing. So must join our Airdrop Hunter channel for daily airdrops. And also subscribe the YouTube channel for next interesting video. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and please give a like this video, and that's all. Goodbye.